Hello everyone. I hope these wintry, snowy days are going well for you all. I am making a penne pasta salad, and I thought that I would do a quick video and say hello and show you this great versatile pasta salad. I love it. My husband loves it. I make it for a lot of parties, and you definitely can make this recipe your own. So I start out by boiling 1 box of penne pasta, and once it's al dente or just done, I run it under cold water to stop the cooking process. As you can see here in my bowl, I have 1 large chopped red pepper, and to that I'm going to add a basket, like one of those small little pint baskets of cherry tomatoes, and I'm cutting those in half. You definitely can add whatever you would like to this salad. So if you like green pepper, yellow pepper, cucumbers, you can add different meats, salami, you can add in pepperoni. Definitely make it your own. You cannot mess this salad up. It is so easy to make a pasta salad. I love a pasta salad because, like, for lunch, if I don't want a sandwich or if I don't want to warm up anything, I just get me a bowl of pasta salad and that's my lunch. And it's filling, it's delicious, and I'm getting in some veggies, which is so important. Right now, I am chopping up some celery. I did put in a small bag of bacon bits, but you certainly can fry your own bacon till it's nice and crispy if you don't want to use bacon bits. That's entirely up to you. I just keep adding to the bowl and then I just mix it up. Now I'm adding in my penne. And as you can see, it's not cooking anymore and it's cool. And I'm going to just stir that really, really well just to combine all of the ingredients. I love this salad. And, you know, when you add all those veggie colors, it's actually a really pretty salad, and I love that. I'm going to add in a small can of sliced black olives. If you don't like olives, don't use olives, but we love olives in this house. It is so good. I'm going to add in some grated Colby Jack cheese, but again, you can make it your own and, you know, use any kind of cheese that you prefer. And in stirring this up, I am then going to finish off with the dressing and also this salad seasoning. Don't forget the salad seasoning because it makes a world of difference in this salad. I'm also going to add in a little salt, a little pepper. I'm going to give this another good stir. I am using an entire bottle of zesty Italian dressing in this salad. But again, you can do you. You can even make your own dressing if you prefer. But I love the, I think it's just a great value, or even Kroger brand Italian zesty salad dressing. I just give it a good shake and I dump the whole thing in there and stir it really good. This is the one that I use. I love it. It's delicious. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great week. Bye.